Have you seen Doc Fox? A message came in for Caleb. This came in for you. Here she is. I have a bone to pick with you. Who are you? Guys, I think I found a fox. We have a fox. We have a fox. Oh my goodness. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Marty McFly and this is Neo Mustangs. What's your name, sir?
417 Fox. Shake and bake, baby. Ricky Bobby.
That's
baby.
right.
Ricky Bobby. Yeah.
And of course, my hoverboard is being held by a famous person that has been on the channel at least 2 or 3 times. Joe Lenardi, LMS Racing 1, here in Force. How many did you bring this time?
2.
2. You've got 1 too then. All right, there we go. Having a good time tonight. What is this though?
If you're not first, you're last. That's all that matters.
Right. Shake and bake. Fix noodles, baby.
How can I be the... This whole video is going to be a blooper, just so you know. But guys,
sorry.
Have you seen Doc Fox? Because I've got to get back to 1989, and I don't think this hoverboard's going to take me.
No, it's not.
No, it's not.
Okay.
You don't need a skateboard. They're already on his foot.
There you go.
Might need 2.
All right. 417 Fox and Neo Mustangs. Be sure you check out their channels. I don't know. I can't find him. I can't find him anywhere. Maybe this guy knows, sir. Have you seen Doc Fox? Like, oh wait, a message came in for Caleb. This came in for you. I'll take it over. No, I'm just kidding.
High five.
That's right. Now I have to bleep you. That's all right. Brutal uses ducks. We'll do the duck. Wow. Okay, seriously, guys, it's going to be a fun night tonight. It's the pre-meet before Foxtoberfest. I think they're calling it the, I don't know, I'm just going to go pre-meet. It's called something else. General kill me for not knowing. But I am here with this kind of a special car. Joe, you have been on the channel before.
Yes, hello everyone.
Yep, welcome back. And of course you are Italian, which,
Yeah.
there we go.
Yep.
And that was the last car that was on the channel, which is your wife's car.
Yep, drove it from PA so that she figured if you could drive yours from here to Philadelphia or Pennsylvania,
Yep.
these cars aren't meant to be driven.
There you go. She's proven it. See, guys, Chocolate Fox in Hershey, Pennsylvania. I drove from there to here, and so what'd you do, Christina? You drove
from Hatboro, Pennsylvania to here.
Yep.
Cars are meant to be driven.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
It was a lot of fun to drive.
Good. That's the best part. That's the best part. The fun of driving. Well, tell me a little bit about this one, Joe, because I have not seen this one before.
This one was a daily driver for a while, and then the intake gasket blew. So I had a 347 I was building for one of my other cars. So I didn't feel like fixing that one, so I stuffed 347 in that one.
Oh.
And it kind of snowballed from there.
Yeah, that's how it starts, right?
Yeah, went from C4, then up to 410s, and then line locks and all that good stuff. So
I think I've seen this one on Instagram. This is kind of like your drag car, right?
yeah, it's True Street, actually.
Yeah. And I think you've run in the 11s, or have you run better than
12s.
Low 12. You got really close to 11 one time.
Yeah. Still playing with it and should get it there.
And you're all NA.
NA.
347. What you say? Yeah, let's take a look at her before we get rained on, guys. Unfortunately, bad weather again, but
nothing fancy.
Nope.
And the key thing for this car, it is put together with 90% used parts.
Really?
90%.
So this is a cheap build, honestly.
Honestly, the new pieces that I bought were rear shocks, rear tires, a line lock, and the cam.
Well, those tires, I'm sure you're gonna always need new tires. And the cam, what cam did you put in it?
F cam.
F cam, Ford Alphabet F cam. I love how they sound.
There's a GT40 heads.
Okay.
347 lower end, 24-pound injectors. Just a simple
You're still
build.
mass air, right?
Yeah,
Yep, looks
right,
like you're still mass air. And
like I said,
did you even have it tuned or just calibrated?
No.
Calibrated, right?
Calibrated just as is. It's never been to a tuner. It's never been dynoed.
You get the math calibrated to the injectors, you don't need that stuff.
Yeah,
really.
exactly.
Yeah, maybe you'll get a few more horsepower or whatever, you know?
I actually picked up a whole second by changing that.
Did you? Okay. I'm not surprised. Second, but that makes sense.
Yeah.
It makes a lot of sense. You were running, what, the 19s before, or just didn't have a calibrated one?
I had 24-pound injectors and just the wrong mass air.
Okay. You did trailer this one here, but you got it here.
Yeah.
We're hoping they would have a drag night. They had one a couple years ago.
Yes.
But maybe, guys, next year, maybe we'll get one. But had to get it on the channel, and you said it has a C4, right?
Oh, yes, sir.
Can I just take a quick peek inside? All right.
Whatever you want.
Remember, guys, race car.
And
There we go.
Full interior, full stock suspension.
Okay, yeah, so to get this in the 12s, it's not like you're cutting weight or anything.
No.
So that's
it's
great.
All motor.
And you didn't cut this bezel right here to get your tack in, so we like that. How long have you had this one?
I'd say a good 4 or 5 years. When you picked up the Project Nemesis, and I saw that it all looked similar to this thing, and I was like, wow, it's almost like a twin brother.
Yeah, it's really down now, but I'm getting close to being done.
Yeah.
You know, this cowl thing killed me.
Yeah,
But
well, it's funny you say that. This will probably be the last time you see this car for a while. This is going under major construction right after Foxtoberfest.
Is it?
Yeah,
okay.
She's rotted from the strut towers forward. So we're actually cutting it at the firewall and grafting a whole new front suspension.
Wow. Well, to stay tuned to that, they can see some of that on your Instagram?
Absolutely.
Okay, so check out his Instagram. Great build, great guy. Always enjoy hanging out with him. And Joe, I can't wait to see what you can do with it. You going for 10s?
That's the plan.
All right.
That's the plan.
I can't wait to see you get there. Thanks a lot for sharing my channel.
Thank you for your time, Matt.
Yeah.
Appreciate you.
Guys, it's windy, wet, overcast, but I'm still gonna try my best to show you every single fox body out here before it goes dark, because this is, like I said, the pre-meet, and we're gonna have a lot of fun. Also, Tiffany's coming. You gotta see her outfit, so stay tuned for that. McFly! McFly, you bojo! Those boards don't work on water!
McFly, you bojo! Those boards don't work on water!
Unless you got power!
Unless you've got power!
I love it. You too. is this guy?
Look at there.
You know, I thought I was trying to go back to the future, but you're back in the past.
Hey, man.
What
You
is
said
this
you
guy?
wanted to see it. That's what you said before the film.
I did, but I have a bone to pick with you. All right, I'm gonna give him a hard time real quick. Not you, you're fine, but Mr. Willie here. Did you win a VIP spot?
I did.
Did you make a video about winning a VIP spot?
I did.
Did you mention Garrett 704 in the video?
He commented.
Not even a mention, guys. So that's okay. Willie
You
is
wanted to see
banned.
me in a suit, so here I am.
All right.
This is
Well,
my-
actually,
my
I
sacrifice.
think he made up for it. I think he made up for it. Yellow Fox Body Guy, the most shouted out YouTuber Mustang Week.
No doubt.
And
I think we have the same.
ain't gonna be a peace fight. Yeah, they're gonna say it's you know, collusion. But
Try to take my hand.
all right, we're doing great to see you. Look great, man. We gotta get a picture. How's it going, man? Good to see you. Good to see you. This is a subscriber of the channel right here. Loyal follower. And this is his 86 convertible.
Yes, sir.
You got it here.
Finally.
We're happy for you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
I'm really happy for you. I'll mess that up. Looks good. All right, guys, as you can see, it's getting a little windy out here. Don't know if you can hear me, but we saw all the foxes that were here so far. Got the Foxtoberfest tent over here. In case you didn't know, there's Matt and Jim from Fox Resto. In case you didn't know, they put the show on. There's 417 Fox. You saw him at the beginning of the video. Doing his dress up thing. I ran into somebody I've seen before out here, but you guys haven't seen him in a while.
Never seen us before, ever.
Actually, never out here. We've got the man, the myth, the legend.
Dave.
Dave?
Man, I have your hoverboard.
Yeah, and we love Andrew, Dave and Andrew. Actually, I have a quick story to tell. You guys know Blue Oval Media. He had a clutch issue. Andrew Hanlon, I believe that you helped him with this issue, didn't you?
Partially.
Yeah.
Vengeance also helped out too.
Okay, there you go. Vengeance Clutch, right?
Yes. So we're a dealer for Vengeance Clutch, and I reached out to Chris over at Vengeance Clutches, and I said, hey, I got a friend. He's in dire need of a clutch. Do you have one? And can he get it tomorrow? And he's like, sure, no problem.
That is amazing. They sound pretty good. So there you go. Hanlon Motorsports. They do transmissions. You're going to see more of them on the channel, probably in tomorrow's show video.
Yes.
Because you have a whole setup tomorrow, right? There,
Yep.
All right. And
display tomorrow.
in the meantime, he's riding off from a hoverboard. All right, guys. We're starting to lose our light, but we do have a couple more Fox bodies over here. I'm not the only one that dressed up tonight, guys. Check this out. Look how we got here. All right. Back here, too. That's what I'm talking about. It's a costume party. You guys look good. Say Fox Body. There you go. And also, we have another one here. Hey. We do. All right, guys, running around here looking for Doc Fox. Never found him. So instead, I'm going to keep looking. Can you hold my hoverboard? Oh, who are you? Guys, I think I found a fox. We have a fox. We have a fox. Oh, my goodness. Do you have a husband? Are you married? Maybe she is. Maybe I'm your husband. Maybe. You married Marty McFly?
I did.
I don't think Matt from Gearhead's gonna be happy about it. No, Tiff and the kids made it here, guys, and yeah, we're just having fun, still having a blast. Hey, is this Doc Brown? Is this Doc Brown here? Where's he at? I'm still looking for Doc Brown. All right, guys, here we are, me and Tiff, and we're inside. Why are we inside?
Because it's cold.
It's cold outside. I mean, this is day 3? Yeah, we're on day 3.
Yes.
Foxtoberfest, and we're tired. Or I am. Are you tired?
I don't know. I'm excited about tomorrow.
You're excited? We're very excited about tomorrow, but tonight was a lot of fun, the pre-meet. What was your favorite part, Tiff?
Costume contest. There were some people that had some really fun costumes. I enjoyed it.
I'm kind of tired and losing my voice, so I think we're going to wrap this one up. Yeah, I can't think of anything else to say.
No.
Okay, all right, that's it. We're going to see you guys tomorrow, or no, we won't see them, but they'll see us. Not tomorrow, because I put up videos staggered.
It's fine.
Okay.
We're going to be at the event, and you're going to see it.
There you go, that's true. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe, because we're silly and I dress like Marty McFly. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll see you next time on Gearhead 704. Bye. It is windy out here. It is. Oh boy. Bloopers. Go on, guys. Hey, bloopers. Bloopers.
You even got the white grill.
Yeah.
For this.
You know I always wear black.
Yeah.
I want to see you ride that.
Okay. Wrong shoes. Just give me a sec.
It's close though. For me, Frank, I usually wear black. I know it's wrong. You're right.
The shoes will let me get
Uh-oh,
on.
he's gonna destroy. But he wears Jordans, guys, so it's okay.
I'm
I think we just moved into the blooper material.